Again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Nechi. This time I have a Nechi machine. This machine came here with the problems on the hook. So the customer ordered these online. He said that, he ordered these, he's trying to fix it, but he couldn't do it. I'm gonna check and see what happens. Sometimes, you have to be careful when you order this bobbin case holder because they don't always match the same. Even, it's direct from the manufacturer, you might have to move a little bit there and a little bit here. So I'm gonna go and check what's happening because when you put this in there, everything gets jammed up right away. He claiming that he ordered it direct from the manufacturer. So I'm gonna go and check it out and I'll show you. Listen, machine, a Nechi machine. When I turn the wheel, you see how this is moving up and down. The machine is tight. It's tight, but I can see right here that, it's forcing this hook up and down. See that? It's very, very tight. Let me go open it up and check it out. Explain you exactly what happened. The customer ordered this bobbin case holder from the website and put it into the machine thinking that, he couldn't get the machine done. Unfortunately, most of the websites that sell these parts, you have to think about like this. These machines is just a regular Nechi machine. What happened is a lot of people make generic parts. So generic parts is good for Nechi, for Brother, for Singer, for whatever, all different brands. You could buy a generic part and you could put it in there. But what happens once you're putting a generic part, might not fit right. So you have to wiggle the machine inside to get it right. But if you order the actually original part that goes with it and you install it into the machine, you're gonna have no issues. You see, all I did was just I took one of the Nechi's bobbin case that I have here, since we work with Nechi's, Elnut and these companies. I put it in there, nothing. There was no problem at all. The machine was not broken. The part that he actually ordered online and put it into the machine was the wrong part. So it's very important when you're going to order something, make sure on the descriptions that you buy the part, it says that will fit your machine, because 99% of them, they look exactly the same, but they are not the same. So you got to make sure that, they has to say it on this website link or wherever you buy it from, it will fit your model machine. If you buy a part that fit your machine, you're going to have no problem. Your machine should be up and running just like this. Again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Quick tip on how to, make sure that your part is correct. Thank you for watching. Not a heavy duty machine. Look at that. You got six layers of jeans and, pretty nice. Nechi portable sewing machine works beautiful on that heavy duty zinger and heavy duty zigzag.